Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video we'll learn how to insert SIM cards in Oneplus 9RT smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. In the Oneplus 9RT smartphone, the SIM tray is located at the bottom. So you need to insert the SIM ejector tool into this hole. Then you need to pull out the SIM tray from the phone. So in the SIM tray you can insert 2 SIM cards at a time. So I will insert the SIM cards here. You need to insert SIM cards facing upwards. The golden plated side is need to facing upwards. So I insert the first SIM. Then I will insert the second SIM also. The 2 SIMs are inserted. Now you need to insert this setup into the phone. Waiting for the network. Now the network is came. You can find. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.